Hello everyone, welcome to SAP FMS online training. Today's session is brought to you by SAP IDS Training. I am Pooja, working with SAP IDS Training, and I'm here to give you a brief introduction about what SAP FMS is all about, what are the advantages and benefits upon learning this SAP FMS. So let's begin with SAP Fashion Management Solution, in short called as SAP FMS. Over decades, vertical fashion companies manage their business separately by making use of two different ERP systems, one to support their wholesale and manufacturing business and other one for their retail operations. This rise in two or more ERP systems have created a host of new challenges, restricting fashion companies to adopt to new and emerging market trends. All the traditional business models are now expanding with SAP. The vertical fashion solution is vital role for business growth. In order to get the value of vertical integration of common process on a shared inventory, the vertical fashion solution is must in order to support and optimize multiple channels like manufacturing, wholesales as well as retailers. This solution aims to bring all business operations under one single platform powered by SAP HANA for enabling faster fashion and grow an adaptable global business while helping increase revenues, margin and efficiency. Now let's see in depth about SAP Fashion Management Solution. It's a new opportunity for vertical fashion business with an invention of SAP Fashion Management Solution. The FMS bring all the active AFE process onto an SAP retail base by giving single ERP. The fashion management solution now offers a game-challenging process using SAP's high-end performance technology called as SAP HANA. With this, the vertical fashion process can be fundamentally redesigned, as the SAP AFS system will be no longer available in future because the AFS does not support the SAP HANA integration. Now let's move on to other slide. This slide gives you a brief overview on the syllabus what we are going to cover as a part of SAP FMS online training. Basically, you will be going through the overview of the traditional fashion management. Then moving on to the next topic, it will be like master data. In this, the following are the subtopics: organizational structures, their hierarchies, business partners, sites, article dimension, articles and article related features, segments and assortments. Moving on to third topic, it is planning and material requirement planning. It is called as MRP. In this you will be coming across source of supply determination, purchase order handling. Next topic will be like wholesales. In this you will be coming across sales order handling and how to rescheduling. Moving on to other topic, it is re retail allocation management. Moving with the next topic, it is receiving and planning. In this you will see how the inbound process will be done and the inventory management. You will see how the logistic invoice verification is done. Moving on the other topic, it is logistic execution. In this you will come across order allocation, out, out border processing, etc. Moving on to the other topic, it is like logistics execution. In this you will be covering billing, price management, pricing basics, retail pricing, markdowns, etc. Next topic is merchandise. This you will be coming across promotion and replenishments. The other topic is store operations. Moving on to the last topic, it is like additional scenarios. Here you will be coming across value added services. In short, these are called as BAS. The next topic will be like purchase to order, third party order, those are called as wholesales, consignments, rush orders, fashion contract, business to customer, stock protection, and collective PO and merchandise distribution. Well, this was about the content which we are going to cover as a part of SAP FMS training. Moving on to next slide, this gives you the key benefits of SAP Fashion Management Solution. Let's see one by one. First, it's like it reduces the TCO, total cost, from a single ERP platform for growing a more flexible, efficient vertical run business. It provides a consistent customer experience with a unified solutions by supporting all the channels. It provides optimal cross-channel allocation methods right from planning till the end of execution. It is a multi-channel enabled ATP. It also provides one source of product master data across all the parts of the enterprise. It is a single transparent shared global inventory, and there are many more benefits you will be covered under SAP FMS training. Well, that was about key benefits. Well, it's time to conclude the session. For more information, you can reach us at www.sapideastrainings.com, or else you can email us at info@sapideastraining.com, or else you can directly call us at the registered number, that is 8121 020 888. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Looking forward to work with you. Thank you. Bye all.